Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to learn all about the vertex of a parabola. We'll explore how to find this special point, which is also known as the turning point, using its coordinates h and k. First, what exactly is a parabola? A parabola is a smooth, U-shaped curve that you get when you graph a quadratic function. You can see examples of parabolas in the real world, like the path a ball takes when you throw it, or the shape of a satellite dish. Every parabola has a very important point called the vertex. The vertex is the turning point of the parabola. It's the exact spot where the curve changes direction, either from going down to up or from going up to down. If a parabola opens upward, its vertex is the lowest point, which we call the minimum point. If the parabola opens downward, its vertex is the highest point, which we call the maximum point. The vertex is one or the other. Often, you'll see the equation for a parabola written in what's called standard form. This looks like y equals a x squared plus bx plus c. The letters a, b, and c are constant numbers that define the shape and position of the parabola. So, how do we find the vertex, which has coordinates h and k? First, you find the x-coordinate, h, using the formula h equals negative b divided by 2a. Then, you take that value for h and plug it back into the original equation in place of x. The result will be your y-coordinate, k. Let's try an example. Consider the equation y equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 5. Here a is 2, b is 8, and c is 5. To find h, we calculate negative 8 divided by 2 times 2, which gives us negative 2. Then we plug negative 2 back into the equation for x. This gives us 2 times negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2 plus 5, which equals negative 3. So the vertex is at the point negative 2, negative 3. There's another common format called vertex form. This is written as y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. The great thing about this form is that it tells you the vertex directly. The vertex is simply the point h, k. Just be careful with the sign of h, since there's a minus in the formula. To summarize, the vertex is the turning point of a parabola. For an equation in standard form, use the formula x equals negative b divided by 2a to start finding the vertex. For an equation in vertex form, you can identify h and k just by looking at the equation. And remember, the sign of the a value tells you if the vertex is a minimum or a maximum.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.